I'm Big Bird, and I'm supposed to show you how to brush your teeth, but the problem is, I am a bird, and birds don't have teeth, see? Oh, but horses do. Hey, horsey, come here, horsey.
Hey, Big Bird. Say, is that a toothbrush?
Yes, it is, and I'm supposed to show everybody how to brush their teeth.
Well, I've got news for you. You don't have any teeth.
You said it, but you have teeth.
Well, us horses don't brush our teeth. We keep our pearly whites clean and pretty by eating an apple every day.
But you could brush them, huh? Come on, help us out.
Oh, sorry, friend. I can't help you. I have teeth, all right, but I don't have any way to hold a toothbrush, you see.
Well, how about if we cooperate, huh?
You mean,
Come on, open up. Let's see
I
this.
don't know,
Here we
Big
go.
Bird.
Here we go.
Okay.
Inside and outside the teeth.
Hey, that feels funny.
And the bottom. There, how's that?
Well, great. Big Bird, you are a mighty fine toothbrusher.
Well, I couldn't have done it without your mighty fine teeth.